In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, precision, efficiency, and connectivity are critical to success. That's why we're proud to offer Connect CNC, powered by the intuitive Phoenix software. Connect CNC is designed to deliver unmatched performance and flexibility. Choose from 2 CNC options tailored to your needs. Connect TC for a complete touch-screen display enclosure and operator console. Connect, a mini PC solution that's integrated to an OEM-designed operator interface. At the heart of Connect is the Phoenix software, engineered for ease of use and maximum productivity. Need to create parts fast? The built-in shape library gives you instant access to a wide range of pre-designed geometries, ready to cut with just a few clicks. The Cut Pro Wizard simplifies job setup with step-by-step guidance, reducing errors and getting you cutting faster. Connect CNC allows the operator to nest a single part in a pattern array nest right at the CNC. True Shape nesting allows the operator to nest multiple shapes in the selected quantities to the same nest, using intelligent part placement to maximize material usage. Automatically embedded Sure Cut technology utilizes advanced cutting expertise to power every cut for superior quality and consistency. To manage jobs more efficiently, the Production Manager module enables seamless data transfer from the Pronist nesting software. This allows the operator to track jobs, monitor machine status, and streamline workflow, all from a single easy-to-use dashboard. Connect CNC and Phoenix software delivers reliable performance for plasma and oxy-fuel cutting solutions. Backed by a worldwide technical support team, we're here to keep your operations running smoothly. Wherever you are, ready to elevate your shop floor? Connect with us today.